In this video,
We will learn how to create a custom match in Fortnite.
in Fortnite, if you want to create a custom match, it is extremely simple. All you need to do is just scroll down until you find the game selection tab. In here, you will find an option at the bottom hand side called custom key. Left click on it. After coming into the custom matchmaking key, you need to input a custom key or a unique key which you and all your other friends can use to join in a game. After inputting the key, you can click on accept. After that, you also need to make sure that you select a proper game mode to play the custom match in. So you can choose Battle Royale. After coming into the Battle Royale mode, all you need to do is just click on the play button and your custom game will commence. Also keep in mind that the custom creation is only available to the members of the creation program, so not everybody can join or create a custom match. Only the persons who are in the creation team of Fortnite can create a custom match. So this is how you can create a custom game in Fortnite and enjoy with your friends. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.